working all my life, you know. Only God knows, only God knows, only God knows.
Hey loves, in today's video we're going to be doing a traditional sew-in prep. So it's just a full detail wash day and sew-in take down. This is my hair after a wash, and yes, it's looking healthy and we're not cutting an inch, so we don't care about the straggly ends. We're in a growing phase, and once we get to our goal, we will do a trim. So yeah, I am happy with the results, but you're interested in seeing how my wash day turns out. Stay tuned and let's get into this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So I'm taking out my hair after cutting it, and it went so bad. It went left so quick. And it only took my sister laughing, and I mean, I felt confident in it.
But I think I'm gonna just wash my hair and get it rebraided. I'm about to do another sew-in.
So I was in my curly hair phase, and when I tell you I do not want to wear curly hair, it's just too much maintenance. It gets so tangled. But before I can even get started with washing my hair, I oil my hair. So I went to the hair store, went to Target, got me a mask, got me some carrot oil, and whatever oils I had left, I blended in my Miel rosemary bottle because my bottle isn't empty, but it's getting low. So I was like, let me just add my own concoction, because I believe oiling and greasing your scalp is how you just keep your hair nourished. And if you're going to do that, you definitely need to do a great wash day. But because I'm leading up to a great wash day, I'm going to make sure I have great nourishment in my hair the night before. So I went in and I added rosemary stems in the oil. It's a rosemary oil already, but this is pure rosemary plus carrot oil, and then I added in some Jamaican black castor oil. So if you want to use this, concoction, you can. I like to just make sure it's as potent as possible, just to get better results when it comes to nourishing my scalp and my hair weekly, and then especially right around my wash cycle. So that's what I'm doing here, and these are all the products that I'm using. When I looked around, I had multiple bottles of Jamaican black castor oil, just with tiny bits left, that little incy bits at the bottom that can't get through the pumper. Well, I turned them upside down and I emptied them all, just so I can make sure my little rosemary concoction mixed with carrot oil will be just as potent as possible, so I can get some great results with my oiling right before my cleanse. I would like to take you on a little journey. How did I get here? My hair is a mess, disgusting. Do sew-ins grow your hair? Yes, the braided part of your hair will grow. The leave out will be damaged. So I am in a growing phase, and I keep telling myself that, but I keep leaving my hair out. So this upcoming sew-in, you'll see at the end of this video, I am not leaving any hair out around the perimeter, just some in the middle, and I use way less this time because, again, I'm trying to convince myself I'm in a growing phase, which I am, because my hair is growing, but you saw how nasty my hair was. It's no way I'm going to be able to comb that out without messing my hair up or pulling my hair out. So after sectioning my hair, I grab my pre-poo and I'm going to apply that all over generously, just so I can get my hair to detangle till, I get to the goal and the promise I made to myself, which was waist length hair by a certain age. I'm going to keep, going and taking breaks in between. So now that I've gotten all that pre-poo all over my hair, I'm able to comb my hair all the way out to the end, and that's when you know you're ready to wash. But I'm going to add an additional step. My daughter is actually holding this for me because my hands is full of mess of the pre-poo and the dirt. And so this is a protein scrub. It's a scalp scrub by Nexus. It's a protein scrub. It's going to help not only rebuild your follicles so they're not so weak, but you have to take your time and put it in. It has the same feeling and texture of a body scrub. So that same feeling, but it's a hair scrub. And I love it because it just helps break up all that buildup that's on the scalp that sometimes, after even multiple washes, you can't get out. So I'm going in and I'm going to open my hair up in different sections, and I'm going to put this scrub in. And another thing that it does, once you get it on your hair, if you can see here around my edges and perimeter, it starts soaping up like a actual shampoo. So I have the pre-poo in. My hair is detangled with the pre-poo. I'm going in with the scrub to just break up that buildup in areas where it's just shampoo can't do it all alone. Sometimes you really have to go in and give your scalp a nice scrub, a nice little, I'm paying attention to detail when it comes to my scalp, because scalp nutrition and health is important. And the way you get a just beautiful scalp is by going in and just paying attention to it, because it's all buildup. Every issue you have is from buildup. So after rinsing that out, I have shampoo on. So this is actually my second shampoo. I did a detox first, and then I went in with the Mio's strengthening shampoo in this step, and I got from under the sink, because that's where I wash my hair at when I'm really getting down and dirty. I do it in my sink. After doing that, I came into my vanity mirror area, and I am going in sections, and I'm giving my scalp a great massage now that it's clean, because again, it's all about a healthy scalp, blood circulation, paying attention to your scalp, because it is the most important part of your hair. We always think hair is about the hair itself. The hair has to come from your scalp. So after I got that out of my hair completely, I'm going in with a hair mask. Listen, this took me a couple days, okay? This was not no easy task, but I feel like you have to be at your best. You have to feel healthy. You have to feel strong when it comes to your hair, because if not, you're going to pull and get frustrated with your hair, and then the results will be a mess. So I'm going in with a mask, and I'm getting it all over from root to tip, and then I'm going to wrap myself up with some Ram Wrap, because I think this is the best thing. Next to a shower cap. I could have just bought a pack of shower caps, but I got me some Ram Wrap, because I'm compressing and I'm stimulating it because of the heat that I'm going to put on top of my hair once I am done wrapping it some sort of way. So I am going to get under the dryer for a good 10-15 minutes, just so that I can, help this product actually penetrate deeper into my hair follicles and my hair strands. So with that, if you've ever took your wig and put some conditioner in it and put it in the microwave for a minute, that's another way you can get your wig popping like buttery soft. This just helps softens the hair and help the product penetrate instead of just walking around the house with it. So I'm going to sit under the dryer for a bit, and yeah, get this going in my hair. Okay, after the 100th step later, I have two different conditioners. I have a leave-in strengthening conditioner, and then I just have the strengthening conditioner, and I'm going to go in with just the strengthening conditioner, because I don't want any heavy product left in my hair with the leave-in. And I'm going to drench my hair once again with the conditioner all over, just so I can make sure it's super detangled, it's soft, because we're coming to the end of my wash day. And these are the parts I'm happy about, because I'm like, oh, I'm almost done. Thank you. Thank you, Lord. I'm almost done. This is why it takes so long to go to the salon, because it's just one step after the other, and they all count. You just can't wash your hair and condition your hair, especially if you've been neglecting it for months with a sew-in or whatever protective style that you have. And guys, I think I said it in the last video, my daughter's hair was so healthy until she started wearing like plaits and braids. She will not be doing that again, because she's also in a recovery state because of that. And it will just be ponytails and cream for her. So now that my hair is fully clean and dry, and it looks a mess up here on top of my head, I'm going to go in with some heat protectant. And again, I am trying to get myself off of the versatile. So that's why I went back to traditional sew-in, because you can see where my hair is different lengths. It's shorter around the perimeter and my leave out area. And that's why I'm making it a mission to like just stop doing those particular hairstyles, because the heat is just not healthy. If anything, my hair here is proof that the heat on your hair is not healthy. So find someone or some style and do that. Don't do as I did, because I'm now trying to grow the hair that is shorter to a longer length so I can have some sort of layer frame around my face. So overall, I am happy with my wash day. My hair is squeaky clean. I'm just going to use some heat protectant and start the blow drying process, and stay tuned for the end to see my braid down, and I'll come back.
If there's another universe, please make some noise. Give me a sign. This can't be life. If there's a point to losing love, repeating pain, it's all the same. I hate this place, stuck in this paradigm. Don't believe in paradise. It's supposed to be what hell is like. There's got to be more, got to be more. Sick of this side of life. Intrusive thoughts that paralyze. The wonders line is advertised. There's got to be more. Been here before. Life's better on Saturn. Got to break this pattern. Floating away. Find something worth saving. It's all for the taking. I always say I'll be better on Saturn. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn. If karma's really real, how am I still here? Just seems so unfair. I could be wrong though. If there's a point to being good, then where's my reward? The good die unemployed. I gave it all I could. Stuck in this terror dome. All I see is terrible, making us hysterical. It's got to be more, got to be more. Sick of this head of mine. Intrusive thoughts that paralyze. The wonders on is advertised. It's got to be more. Been here before. Life's better on Saturn. Got to break this pattern. Floating away. Find something worth saving. It's all for the taking. I always say I'll be better on Saturn. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn.
Along with cutting out sugar, I made that promise, and she sewed every hair down. No leave out on the perimeter, just my little edges. And then my kitchen is back here, you know, naping up, right? So we just gonna like press it out.
Handing out princess, right there on me, mother. Feel better. Might get tip right in my business. Might get a tip sharing my vision. Might as well tell the secret word conversation. Bread with from work. All that's for real is forever. Moments stolen taste better.
I'll be doing a sew-in in upcoming videos. So if you're interested, go ahead and subscribe. Thank you for tuning, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.
My focus, bitch, I'm Obi-Wan, you got it in me, gotta be easy to get myself on, I need you by the face, now I'm out of taste, and stop working with you, can't lose myself, here we go,